beautiful fall inspired look. I'm really ready for fall to get here. Like, where you at? What's going on? First and foremost, I want to give a big thank you to all my viewers, all my new subscribers, all my subscribers. Like, thanks for watching. Before we get started, at my social media, at my Instagram, my Snap, and my Twitter, I'm gonna list those items somewhere. I'm gonna list them. I'll just list it down below. If you want to see how I achieve this look, just continue watching this video and let's get into it.
So I'm gonna start with my brows. I already have my brows on, and I'll put a video down below on how to do my brows. And I'm gonna moisturize my skin. And I'm gonna start with my concealer, and I'm gonna apply that with a flat brush. And I'm gonna put that all over my lid. And I'm gonna blend that with a dry sponge. So I'm gonna take this brown and I'm going to pack that on by tapping it into my crease. And I'm just gonna keep building up that color. And when you do that, it makes it more pigmented. So I'm just gonna blend that all in my crease. So I'm taking this orange color from my Amazon palette, and I will link that down below. And I'm going to pack that all into my crease on top of that brown, which is my transition color. And then I'm going to blend that all out into my crease and my upper crease. So I'm going to take this red and I'm blending that all into my crease. So I'm going to apply my concealer all over my lid, and I'm going to cut my crease halfway. I just blended that out with a dry sponge. I'm going to apply my liquid eyeshadow. I'm going to apply that all on my lid, and I'm going to blend out my outer crease with that red color from my Amazon palette. And I'm taking this black and I'm just blending that out in my outer corner, and I'm just blending all my colors together to, you know, bring everything together. And I'm applying this to my brow bone from my Tarte lip palette. I'm gonna remove that tape, and then I'm going to apply my eyeliner. I'm getting better with the eyeliner, y'all. It don't take me as long because I've been practicing. But I'm going to apply my mascara to prep for my lashes, and I'm applying my lashes. Not to move on to the face, so I'm priming my face, and I'm covering up my discolorations, and I'm gonna blend that out with a damp sponge. So for the liquid highlighter to give my skin that glow, and my foundation, and I'm gonna blend that all together using my brush. I'm not sure what this brush is called, but I'm blending that all out with my brush, and then I'm blending that with my damp sponge. So I'm applying my concealer under my eyes, on my chin, my cupid's bow, my nose, and my forehead, and I'm gonna blend that all out. So I'm setting my concealer with my translucent satin powder. I don't want nothing moving. So I'm using my cream contour palette and I'm doing my contour. I'm carving out my cheeks and my nose. So I'm gonna blend that out with the damp sponge. This is my first time using the cream contour on my nose, so it was a little hard blending it out, but I felt like I liked it. So I'm gonna set my contour. And now I'm just defining my cheekbones. So I'm gonna dust away all that powder. And now I'm going to apply my finishing powder all over my face. Blush. I don't usually use blush, but I actually loved the idea of blush. And now my favorite highlighter, well, one of my favorite highlighters, and I'm using the Molten Peach. And I love this. It's so pretty. It gives it like a pink undertone to it. And of course, I just have to OG and add more. So I'm going to line my lips with the brown lip liner.